Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter human skeleton, and in that we are studying topic types of muscle. Now if I say type of muscles basically mean, or they are about 40 to 50% of your total body weight. So what are the kind of muscles present in humans? Let's study today. Now muscles basically are very specialized tissue of mesodermal origin, and about 40 to 55% of your total body weight is your muscular weight, or the weight contributed by muscles. And inside your body there are three different kinds of muscles present. The first one is cardiac muscle, the second one is visceral muscles, and the third one is skeletal muscle. Now cardiac muscle, the name says it all. These are the muscles by which your heart is made, or myogenic muscles. Visceral muscles basically they surround, or they form the lining of your alimentary canal, or simply you say it, food tract. The skeletal muscles form the part of your skeleton system, and they are voluntary kind of muscles. Now all of these muscles work in different order as well as in different manner and coordinate with the organ which they are associated with. Types of muscle. Now if I talk about types of muscles in human beings, they are a group of specialized tissues. Now when I say group of specialized tissue, it means that many different cells come together and tissues are formed. So muscles could be said as specialized tissue which are mesodermal in origin. Now there are three derms: endoderm, ectoderm and mesoderm, and muscles are mesodermal in origin. Now in adult human beings, the total body weight is approximately 40 to 50% that's contributed by muscle. So I could say that your muscle mass and your body weight are entirely two different things. Your muscle mass is nothing but the weight of your muscles, and your body weight is basically the weight of fat molecules stored in your body. So basically there are three different kinds of muscles present in human beings: cardiac muscles, or the muscles surrounding heart; skeletal muscles, the muscles that surround all your skeleton system; and visceral muscles that lie around your alimentary canal or food tract. Now if I talk about cardiac muscles, they can simply be said as the muscles of the heart, or the muscle that form a periphery around heart region. Now many cardiac muscles assemble, or they join in branching forms. Cardiac muscles are always involuntary. When I say involuntary, they are never under our control, neither the control of the nervous system. They function according to a certain pathway. Also, there are striations present in cardiac muscle. The second kind of muscles are your visceral muscle. Now, if I talk about visceral muscle, they are located in the inner wall of hollow visceral organs, and these visceral organs are nothing but your alimentary canal, which is your food pipe, your reproductive tract in male as well as female. Now, one major thing about visceral muscles is that they never exhibit or show any kind of striations in them. So that's the reason their appearance under microscope or electron microscope is always smooth. They are also sometimes called as smooth muscles or non-striated muscles. The third type, your skeletal muscle. Now, skeletal muscle could be said as a major component of your body. Skeletal muscles are closely associated with your skeleton system, your entire framework of your body. They have stripped kind of appearance. You could simply say them that they are striated in some order. Now, we know that skeletal muscles are always under our control. They are voluntary. Whenever we want, we can control them, or we can make them to work. Being voluntary in nature, they have their activities that's always under the control of your nervous system. Your nervous system basically directs or give commands to your skeletal system whether to move or whether to stop. So students, in this part of the chapter, we did study about types of muscles, their working and their function. I hope you all are very clear with this concept. Thank you.